Imagine this. You just landed in London. Your first solo trip abroad. Excited? Of course. But as soon as you reach immigration, the officer looks up and says, "Purpose of visit?" And your brain freezes. You want to say, tourism, vacation. But suddenly, even simple English disappears. Your heart beats faster. You smile nervously. He stares, waiting. That's when you realize you don't need to know thousands of words to survive in English. You just need the right 400 words, used confidently. Let's start your 400-word journey. Let's imagine you wake up in a new country where no one speaks your language. You have one mission: to survive using only simple English. Morning routine. You open your eyes and say to yourself, "I need water. I am hungry. I want to eat." That's it. You already used 4 power words: need, hungry, want, eat. You walk to a small cafe. The lady at the counter smiles. You say, "Hello, I want coffee. Small, please. How much?" You didn't need perfect grammar. You didn't need fancy phrases like, "Could I possibly get a cup of coffee, please?" You survived, and you were polite. This is the magic of the survival 400 words system. You speak clearly, simply, and with confidence. Real-life survival example 1. Lost in the city. You step out of your hotel. You want to go to the station. You see a man and say, "Hello, I need help. Where's the train station?" He replies, "Go straight, then left." You repeat, "Go straight, left. Thank you." You understood everything and survived. No grammar rules, no pressure, just real English in action. Shopping trolley real-life survival example 2. At the supermarket. You walk into a store. You don't know where to find milk. You ask, "Excuse me, where's milk?" The worker says, "Aisle 3. You say, "Okay, thank you." Simple, clear, effective. That's survival English. Blackson with his daily routine for conversation fluency. Now, let's create a short daily routine to practice fluency, even if you only have 10 minutes a day. Step 1. Morning, self-talk. Talk to yourself in English while getting ready. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I go to work. Don't worry about mistakes. Just build comfort with words. Step 2. Midday, mini dialogues. Imagine you're speaking to someone. "Hello, how are you?" "I'm good." "You?" "I need help with this." "Okay, no problem." You can even record your voice. This builds confidence and rhythm. Step 3. Evening, listen plus repeat. Watch short English videos or podcasts. Pause after every sentence and repeat. You don't need to understand every word. Focus on tone and flow. Example, travel survival set. Let's take a short list of 20 from those 400. Go, come, need, want, eat, drink, help, take, give, like, have, make, see, know, say, do, buy, pay, find, call. With only these 20 words, you can create over 500 sentences like, "I need help. I want water. Can I pay here? I like this. You call me later. I don't know." That's real-world fluency, fast, practical, and confident. Globe showing Europe, Africa real-life survival example 3. Emergency situation. Imagine you're at a hospital. You need help quickly. You say, "Please help. I need doctor. Pain here." It's not perfect grammar, but it's perfect communication. The nurse understands you. She helps immediately. You survived again, using just 400 words. The secret of word building. Once you know basic words, you can combine them to create more sentences. I need food. I need more food. I need food now. Do you need food? Same words, different meaning. That's the secret of fluency. It's not about how many words you know. It's about how many ways you can use them. High voltage sign the power of simplicity. Most English learners think, "I'll be fluent when I learn big words." But fluency means clarity, not complexity. When you say, "I don't understand," please repeat. You are fluent. Because you can continue the conversation. That's what matters in real life. And now, imagine. You've been in that new country for 10 days. You start to feel comfortable. You can order food, ask for help, make small talk, even joke a little. All with just 400 words. But then, one morning, something unexpected happens. You meet a person who doesn't understand even your simple English. Now you must go beyond the 400 words. You must learn to think in English. Part 2. From survival to fluency. So there you are, standing in front of a man who doesn't understand your simple English. He shrugs. You try again, slowly. Still no result. That's when your brain says, maybe I should try to think in English, not translate. Step 1. Stop translating. Start visualizing. When you say, I need water, don't think of your native word for water. Imagine the action. You're thirsty. You hold a glass. When you think in pictures, your brain connects directly with English words. That's how fluency begins. Step 2. Talk to yourself everywhere. Everyday practice. While walking, eating, or traveling, keep whispering sentences to yourself. I go now. It is hot today. I like this food. I need to call my friend. Simple, natural, automatic. You don't need grammar books. You need repetition. 3 o'clock step 3. 10-minute daily routine. Morning, 3 minutes. Speak about your plan. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Afternoon, 3 minutes. Describe what you're doing. I eat lunch. I talk to my friend. I check my phone. Night, 4 minutes. Reflect your day. Today was good. I worked hard. I am tired. I will sleep. This builds rhythm. Your English becomes part of your thinking. Speech balloon step 4. Practice short conversations. You don't need a partner. You can play both sides. Example. A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm good. You? A. I'm okay. What are you doing? B. I'm reading. Record it. Listen again. Notice your tone and pauses. Blue Book Step 5. Learn by category, not alphabet. Instead of learning random words, group them by situation. Travel words: go, come, ticket, bag, airport. Food words: eat, drink, plate, water, rice. Emotion words: happy, sad, tired, okay. Help words: need, problem, doctor, call. This helps you remember faster and speak naturally. Headphone step 6. Listen and shadow. Play a short English podcast daily. Repeat exactly after the speaker. Copy their voice, tone, and rhythm. This is called shadowing. Even if you understand 50%, your brain learns sound patterns. Soon, you'll start speaking more naturally. Building construction step 7. Build confidence gradually. Start with short sentences. I need help. I want water. This is good. Then move to longer ones. I need help because I lost my bag. I want water but no sugar. Please. Confidence grows with success, not perfection. Step 8. Survival phrases for every situation. Let's go through quick survival sets you can memorize today. At airport. Where is check-in? I have one bag. Can I sit here? At restaurant. I want food. Can I get water? Bill, please. At shop. How much this? Can I try? Too small. Big size please. When lost. Excuse me, I need help. Where is this place? Please show me on map. Master these, and you'll never freeze again. Step 9. Use English to think positively. Start using English to talk to yourself kindly. I can do this. I am learning. I am better today. Your mindset changes, and your brain begins trusting your English voice. Key step 10. The secret to long-term fluency. Remember this rule forever. Repetition builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. You don't need grammar first. You need courage to speak with small words. Every time you use those 400 words, you build stronger English muscles. Sunrise the transformation. 1 month later, you walk into a coffee shop again. This time, the cashier says, "How's your day going?" You smile and reply, "Good. Busy, but good. I like this place." You pay, take your drink, and walk out. No stress, no fear, no translation. You didn't learn 10,000 words. You just mastered 400 and used them like magic. That's fluency. That's survival English. That's your story now. Keep listening, keep repeating, and never be afraid of small words. Fluency doesn't mean perfect English. It means confident communication.